Guys, as a business owner, it is very crucial na makausap mo agad, ma-replyan mo agad kung sino mang mag-message sa'yo. Imagine mo yung store mo. Siyempre, pag may pumasok na customer, gusto mong kausapin yan, gusto mong i-entertain, gusto mong tanongin kung ano yung gusto, magbigay ng great customer service because everyone knows na napakalaking factor nito sa success ng kahit anong business. What is up, Diskarte fam? Welcome back to another episode of Diskarte with Mendy. My name is Mendy, and in this episode, I am going to review a product that claims that they can help out with the problems or the situations that I just said. And this product is an online store management system called Page365. Apparently, they're heavily backed by Facebook. They reached out to me to review their product in all honesty. So this is going to be an honest review of their product. And given that they are saying that they can help with customer service and speaking to your clients as quick as you can, that means that they can also help you sell more. Two of their best features is the chatbot as well as the automated welcome message. At ito pa guys, mamimigay daw sila ng 3 years worth of free access to their pro subscription. Paano makuha yon? Find out by the end of this episode. And with that out of the way, let's get down and dirty with this review. So actually, itong Page365, guys, available siya sa iOS, Android as well. Okay, so I found how to change the language. Let's check which order to have if you're lalabas. Different banks. That's amazing. Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, guys, so I played around with it. I actually didn't realize that I'd been playing around with it for almost 2 hours now. Medyo nag-enjoy ako because nagulat ako na may ganito. Alam ko yung Shopify because I've built Shopify websites before, and I know a couple of online store management platforms already na paid. A majority of them, ang gaganda, pero, you know, as a beginner, to get this for free for the next 3 years, I think is a no-brainer. Also, just the way they've laid it out, yung storefront may look a little bit basic for now, obviously because they are growing, but I think some people would actually like that. For me, yung insights area nila, or yung insights tab nila, the way it's laid out and the way it's as simple as it is very, very impressive. Even yung orders pane, yung conversations pane, it is very simple. There's nothing flashy or nothing too fancy, rather. I think this is best for beginners. If you haven't used any store management system before, guys, this is your time to use one because this is free. This is a free software that is being developed consistently. They told me about their efforts to offer this product for free, which is why I took it. Actually, I took the review, and at the end of the day, they're backed by Facebook. I'm genuinely actually happy with what I saw. I wish I could use it a little bit longer, but I will, right? I'll probably come out with another video. So if you are a business owner and you sell products online, maybe even offline, because you can send this through an SMS, for example. I urge you to try out this product because it does seem fairly straightforward to use. I think the time is now for people to realize that they need to upgrade beyond what Facebook is offering in-house or within their apps. Because for me personally, using yung unified messenger nila between Facebook and Instagram is very confusing. No offense to Facebook, I know you guys are geniuses at what you do, but I'm the type of guy who just wants to see everything ng ganito kasimple. And I'm really excited to use the web version. And like I said in the first part of this video, to get this platform for free, the pro version for free ng 3 years, all you have to do is go to the conversations page, check out the 365 message button, type free 3 years, and then send it through. There you go. Congratulations. You receive 3 years pro package valued at 33,815 pesos. Our staff will upgrade it for you shortly, typically 1 business day, eligible for users in the Philippines only. And again, like I said, I'll probably do another video on this one, a more longer video. But for now, this is my quick review. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And as I always say at the end of every episode, stay healthy, keep humble, and appreciate the small things. My name is Mendy, and this has been Diskarte with Mendy.